this is your one-step equations application 1 homework. I'm going to go through each of these 9 problems step by step. So make sure you have the correct work and the correct answers. If you made any mistakes or need to change anything, please do. I would like for you to have the correct work and answers on your papers. All right, answer each of the questions below. Be sure to show your thinking. Starting with number 1, 9.5 plus x equals 14.2. We want x by itself, okay, which means we have to get rid of that 9.5. Well, right now it says plus 9.5, so we have to do the opposite. So we're going to do minus 9.5 and minus 9.5 on this side. Okay, let me make that bigger. Okay, so 9.5 minus 9.5 is 0, so we're just left with x on the left side. And then you put your equal sign, and we have to solve 14.2 minus 9.5. Can't do 2 minus 5. So 4 turns into a 3. 2 turns into a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Can't do 3 minus 9, so 1 turns into a 0. 3 turns into a 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. So x equals 4.7. Number 2, x minus 10.9 equals 16.7. We want x by itself, so we've got to get rid of this negative 10.9. So I've got to do the opposite. The opposite of subtraction is adding. So add 10.9 and add 10.9. Okay, so we're stuck with x on the left side because these cancel out to 0. Equals, and then 9 plus 7 is 16, carry the 1. 6 plus 1 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 27.6 equals x. Number 3, x minus 5 equals 17. Well, I want x by itself, so I've got to do the opposite to get rid of this minus 5. So plus 5. Plus 5. Okay, x equals 22. Number 4, the average annual precipitation in Berkeley, California is 26.8 inches. Albany, New York has an average precipitation of 39.4 inches. What is the difference in the two cities' average annual precipitation? Okay, so right now, we're looking to figure out our difference. So I'm going to take my bigger number minus my smaller number to figure out our unknown x value. So our equation is going to be 39.4 minus 26.8. And that will give us x. Okay, so if I actually solve this like we're supposed to, minus 26.8. Can't do 4 minus 8, so 9 turns into an 8. 4 turns into a 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the difference in the two cities' average annual precipitation is 12.6 inches. Make sure you put your label. Number 5, the high school marching band has 196 members, and 28 of them are a part of percussion. How many members are in the marching band but not a part of percussion? So right now we have our total number of band members. We know how many are part of percussion, so we want to know our unknown value, which is how many people are not a part of the percussion section. So you could do one of two things. You could do 28 plus x equals 196, or you might have thought that 196 minus 28 would give you your x value. Okay, either is fine, they will give you the same answer. All right, so I'm going to solve 196 members minus 28 to figure out how many band members are non-percussion. Can't do 6 minus 8. 9 turns into an 8. 6 turns into a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus nothing is 1. So there are 168 members not in percussion that are in the band. All right, number 6. On his lunch break, Crosby purchases a piece of pizza and a salad. The total order is $9.25. If the pizza costs $6.30, then how much was the salad? Well, I know the pizza was $6.30 plus something for our salad has to give us our total of $9.25. Okay, so to figure out X, we need to get rid of these $6.30. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 3 can't do, so 9 turns into an 8. 2 turns into a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Bring down your decimal point. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, so we figure out that the salad cost $2.95. All right, number 7. According to CBS, in 2000, the average cost of a World Series ticket was $450. This is $180 more than the cost of a 2007 ticket. How much was a ticket in 2007? Okay, so we know, or we're looking to find out how much that ticket cost in 2007. So we can make our equation X plus $180 equals 450. Okay, so when we get X by itself, we're going to figure out how much the average cost was for a ticket in 2007. So I need to subtract 180 from both sides to figure out X. Okay, so X equals 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 8, can't do that. So cross off your 4 and make it a 3. 5 turns into a 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so how much was a ticket in 2007? It was only $270. Got cheaper, which is interesting. Okay, because usually things are more expensive now. Okay, make sure you have this all copied down. All right, last 2 problems. Number 8. Which equation has a solution of x equals 15? So let's figure out. Is for letter A, if we replaced x with 15, is 15 plus 7 12? No. 15 plus 7 is 22. Is 15 plus 15 10? No. 15 plus 15 is 30. Is 13 plus 15 38? No, 13 plus 15 is only 28. Is 15 plus 24 39? Yep. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So D is the correct answer. We had to replace our x with 15, or you could have gotten x by itself for each of those problems and figured out which one had that solution. All right, last one, number 9. Liam ran 12 miles total over the weekend. He ran 5.5 miles on Saturday. Which equation can be used to find M, the number of miles he ran on Sunday? Okay, well, we know that he ran 12 miles in total. Well, letter A says we're doing 12 plus more, so that's out. because 12 has to be our final big number. If we ran 5.5 miles on Saturday, are we going to multiply that by something to get our total of 12? No. M minus 5.5 is 12. M minus 5.5 equals 12 means we would need to add 5.5, which would mean Liam ran 17.5 miles. Well, that's not true. Then we could figure out, oh, letter D, that's correct. Because if we ran 5.5 miles on Saturday, we just subtract that out, minus 5.5, to figure out how many miles we ran on Sunday. And it ends up being 6.5. Okay, so D is the correct answer.